Find the max number in Python the easy and smart way. Hey everyone, are you a Python enthusiast or just starting out? Well, today I'm going to show you two super easy ways to find the maximum number in a list using Python. And trust me, the second method is gonna make you feel like real coder. Alright, first up, we have Python's built-in max function. It's like a cheat code for finding the biggest number. Just look at this. Boom, just one line, we got the max number. Python is really that powerful. But hey, what if we didn't have max? What if we had to do it old school way? That's where loops come in. Now we are thinking like real programmers. This method goes through each number, checks if it's bigger than the current max, and updates it if needed. Simple but effective. So which method do you prefer? The one-liner max function or the loop method? Let me know in the comments below. And hey, if you learned something new today, smash the like button, subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss awesome Python tips. Stay coding, stay awesome. See you in the next video.